A new corner edition. Pappy's son takes delivery on a Le Mans Blue 2005 C6 Corvette. Hey.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. This is gonna be memories.
Yeah. He also has a YouTube channel.
Oh, do you really?
Yeah.
PappysCorner, I'll give you my card.
Yeah.
A lot of people.
Where's the car? Oh, there it is.
I did have actually.
Dang.
People on it. That's why when I talked to you that day, you're gonna take it. Just let me know for sure.
Yeah.
That way we be knowing.
I wanted this exact one since I was 8. So,
Really?
So I was doing everything in my car to get it.
Well, it's crazy. My kid's 2 years old and he knows all the cars. He knows all the cars and he knows it. 'Cause I had a Corvette for
Doing the walk around. Got some glare going on, so probably it'll blind you. Look at that, E&A Motors, Waterloo, Iowa. To see who that stands for, Ed and Albert. Shelby pickup.
Looks like it's going to Turkey.
Well, that's not even a pickup, we call that a truck. This is going to Turkey. Guy's gonna pick it up, drive it to New York, and have it shipped out. Well, he must be a prince or something. But I wanted to give a little look-see at these toys, right? Those are some playful little items. And sales associate is looking for some floor mats. Meantime, I'll do another scan over here of our red Corvette. I don't know the years on any of these, nor do I know what half of them are, but I have to look for things like this to give me a clue. I don't want to even ask how much that Porsche cost.
I'll bet you it's at least $100.
100 grand. I saw one on YouTube or on the internet for a couple $100,000. They park it closest to the office.
Sweet. Yeah.
And it's going to be a fun ride home in about 20-degree weather. Roads are clear.
I know there's 2
We got a 2-hour drive.
Yes. So.
And I will be following this beast all the way home.
You roll the windows down and then you release this one, that one, this one. This comes off.
Last minute
I can
instructions.
show you if you want. It's really easy.
Do it, show him.
No, I'll watch a video of it.
Yeah.
Okay,
I don't
all
want
right.
to take it off or anything.
All right.
Yeah, just release it. Make sure the windows are down when you do it. And I'll pull her out for you.
Awesome.
Sweet. I didn't even know they had Shelby trucks for
You want me to
pickups.
hit the button behind you?
Yeah, if you don't mind, please.
Yeah.
Let I'll let you off.
Of course.
And you can see me, I will wave at you. See me waving? Sure you can. and it is flurrying out. Probably be the only Corvette on the highway today. Look at the snow in the parking lot. Okay. Viper. Yellow Viper. Like a bee. Sting like a bee. Oh. Holy cow.
Try and stay home. Let me know when you guys get home. Certainly. Text.
Yeah. I'll text you.
Thank you guys.
Yeah.
Thanks again.
Thanks, man.
Well, thank you.
I appreciate everything.
No problem. Thank you. I'll make sure you get home. So. You're probably the only one driving a Corvette today.
That's what I said on my video here.
I'm gonna grab my water here quick.
Okay, buddy. Out goes the bad. And that's not really bad. A Toyota Matrix, 2005. Runs good. He's taken good care of it. It's been well maintained. But it's going to have to park outside this winter because of the new addition. That has to come in the driveway at an angle. So as the front end doesn't rub on the curb. Yeah. There's only like a 3-inch clearance there, so. In with the good. You back? Perfect, I think. First and last time you'll ever see snow on this car. We had to get it home, and Dylan drove it through a little bit of a flurry. And, oh.
You good?
Yeah. Now she has a nice new home. And thanks for corner stopping. Remember, do something nice for someone today. Peace.